Hey there, if you're watching this video right now, it's not a coincidence your guardian angels have led you here because they have something very important to tell you. Imagine this message as a shining beacon meant just for you with secrets about to be unlocked. There's someone extraordinary who is soon going to step into your life, and the angels have crucial advice to help you get ready for this amazing moment in our vast universe. Every little thing happens for a reason. The angels have been carefully watching over you, witnessing all your ups and downs and the immense love you hold inside. Now they're bringing you a message that will light up your path and fill your heart with wonder. Imagine the angels as silent protectors, observing your journey with tender care, noting every challenge you faced and every victory you've celebrated. They're not just watching, they're guiding, preparing you for something wonderful that's about to unfold. Close your eyes and feel their presence like a gentle breeze or a spark of hope that whispers in your ear. This message is a gift from them to you, carrying insights and wisdom that will help you welcome what's coming with open arms. Stay interested and hopeful because something amazing is coming your way, surrounded by angel wings and the magic of the universe. Get ready because your true love is about to reach out to you very soon. It's not by chance, it's meant to be guided by the divine forces that shape our lives. This person you're destined love has been drawn to you by invisible threads woven by fate. The angels have been working hard behind the scenes to make sure that everything falls into place just right. They want you to be ready to welcome this love with an open heart and a clear mind, making you feel like a beautiful change is about to happen in your life. Your guardian angels want you to understand how important this upcoming connection is. They have seen how your emotions, your ability to love deeply, and your desire for a meaningful bond have died. This isn't just any meeting, it's a profound union that will bring you endless happiness and satisfaction. Imagine the angels as gentle guides, orchestrating this meeting like a grand symphony where every note plays perfectly in harmony. They've watched over you with care, understanding your hopes and dreams, and now they are bringing you this incredible gift. So stay hopeful and open-hearted because something truly magical is about to unfold in your life. Carried on the wings of angels and blessed by the universe's guiding hand, the angels are preparing you for this moment, guiding you to be receptive and open to the signs that will soon appear in the days to come. You might notice subtle hints and signs that your true love is near. These could manifest as dreams, synchronicities, or a deep, inexplicable feeling of anticipation. The angels want you to pay close attention to these signs and trust that they are guiding you towards a beautiful and destined encounter. Your heart will recognize these signals, and when the time comes, you will know without a doubt that this is the person meant for you. As you prepare for this divine meeting, it is essential to focus on self-love and self-care. The angels remind you that in order to fully embrace and cherish the love that is coming your way, you must first nurture and love yourself. Take this time of waiting and excitement to think about your journey, celebrate your strengths, and heal any hurts from the past. This creates a peaceful place in your heart that's ready to give and receive true love. The people who watch over you want you to be patient and believe that the universe has a plan for you and that your true love is being carefully guided to you. Enjoy each moment and feel excited and happy knowing that a wonderful connection is on the way. If this message is helpful to you, please share this video with at least 10 family and friends. This will help other people receive their angelic messages as well. When your true love finally contacts you, the angels want you to go into the encounter with an open heart and mind, letting go of any fears or doubts that might cloud your judgment. Embrace the love that is being offered to you and trust that this person has been brought to you for a reason. Your souls are meant to connect deeply. It's important to be open and honest with your true love from the start. The angels stress how important it is to build trust, respect, and understanding in your relationship. Share your thoughts, dreams, and goals and listen to theirs with an open heart. This honest communication will build a strong foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship. As you start this journey with your true love, remember that your guardian angels are always with you, offering guidance and support. They want you to thrive and fully live your life. Embrace this special connection. If you ever feel unsure or overwhelmed, turn to them for comfort and reassurance. Their presence will give you the strength and clarity to navigate this new chapter in your life with confidence. As your relationship with your true love deepens, the angels encourage you to keep growing both individually and together. Love is a powerful catalyst for personal and spiritual growth, so support each other's dreams. Life is made up of brief moments that pass quickly, so it's important to recognize and enjoy the happiness and beauty each one brings. Celebrate the wins, the times you laugh together, and those quiet moments when you feel deeply connected. These experiences will come together like threads in a beautiful tapestry of love and memories that will last a lifetime. Support each other's goals and inspire each other to become the finest versions of yourselves. This mutual development will fortify your connection and make it strong and long-lasting as you get ready to meet your true love. Your guardian angels are ecstatic and happy for you because they realize how hard you have fought to get here and that you deserve this meaningful connection. If this message resonates with you, please forward it to at least 10 significant others so that the angel's word reaches a large audience in the days and weeks ahead. Believe in the power of love, heed their counsel, and keep your heart open to what lies ahead. Watch out for signs that your true love is near. The angels will keep guiding you, gently nudging and reminding you along the way. Trust them, and know that you're never on this journey alone. As you proceed, remember that true love is worth the wait. The angel wants you to know that this person is being carefully and precisely guided to you. Trust the process. Allow yourself to be swept up in the magic of the moment. Your true love is on their way. Soon, your heart will be filled with the joy and fulfillment that come from a deep and meaningful connection. If you understand this message, please share this video with at least 10 friends and family members. By doing this, you'll assist other people in receiving their angelic messages as well. When your true love finally reaches out to you, be grateful and joyful because this is the beginning of a beautiful journey full of love, growth, and endless possibilities. Take a moment to reflect on every experience that brought you to this point. You are the person you are today because of the challenges and victories you have faced. Your guardian angels have been with you every step of the way, guiding and supporting you. They've seen how strong, resilient, and lovable you are, and they're thrilled to see you reach this point of deep connection. If this message resonates with you, please forward it to at least 10 people who hold special meaning for you. This will help the angel's message reach a wider audience. If you love God, thank you for being with us and supporting us on this path to love. Trust in the love that is being given to you. Remember that your guardian angels are always there to encourage and assist you through every step. To demonstrate your support, you can make a fantastic thank you gift of up to $20. 11. To seize this communication. When was the last time you dreamed that your heart raced and you wondered if there was a message for you about what was happening? Today we're going to discover what secrets might be lurking in your dreams. Pay attention because there are 7 distinct types of dreams that can reveal the future. That's right, there are 7 potent ways that the Creator of the universe communicates with you. While you sleep, prepare yourself because what you're about to hear has the power to permanently alter your life. There is no possibility that your presence here right now has been predetermined by a higher force. We're going to discover the meaning behind those dreams that make you feel that nothing in life is random and everything is meant to be there today. God can communicate with us through dreams, which are one of the most effective ways He uses to show us His will, assist us in making decisions, and warn us of impending dangers. But how can you know if a dream is from God? And what do those signs and the things we see in our dreams mean? Today, we'll examine these mysteries and discover how you can apply these divine lessons to your everyday life. Let's start with the first type of dream. If you see angels in your dream, they are angels from heaven who are messengers. Defenders and mentors. Angels from God are able to help us discover that dreams are more than just ideas in our heads by warning and guiding us through them, teaching and demonstrating how much He loves and cares for us. But how can you tell whether seeing angels in your dreams is real? Dreams are a powerful tool that God uses to communicate with His slaves because they are significant and profound. Dreams involving angels might have three possible meanings. If you're going through a difficult period in your dreams, angels can appear to reassure you. When you dream about angels, you go beyond just the act of sleeping. The Bible contains a number of accounts from people who saw angels in their dreams, showing divine lessons that are very important. Angels and God's servants serve as guardians and guides for people. God may send an angel to offer help you feel better by telling you that you're not alone. In addition, angels can bring divine signs letting you know about risks or there are big choices you need to make. Through these dreams, God can communicate with us, warn, soothe, and give hope, demonstrating His concern and presence in our lives. One of the most significant occurrences in the dream is Jacob's death. One of the founding fathers of Israel, Jacob had a dream in which he saw a ladder reaching up to heaven and being climbed and descended by God's angels. The dream occurred as Jacob was fleeing from his brother Esau and seeking refuge. God visited Abraham and Isaac while he slept, reminding them of the promises they had made to each other that he would have many offspring and grandchildren and that the land he was sleeping on would be his.